Good morning, students. Myself is Vivek Kumar Sakya, and you are welcome in Vivek Sir Study Point and online classes of Saint Umar Inter College. In this video, we will talk about the dimensions and the units of work. As you know well, work is the scalar product of force and displacement. So, if you want to find out the dimensions of work done, then you will have to take first the dimension of force into dimension of displacement. So first of all we will write the dimension of force ml t inverse 2, and then in the multiply dimension of displacement L. So the combined dimension of force m L square T inverse 2 means m L 2 T minus 2. इसे ऐसे भी पढ़ सकते हैं और एम एल स्क्वायर टी इनवर्स 2 भी पढ़ सकते हैं. सो नेक्स्ट एब्सोल्यूट यूनिट. Absolute unit of force is Newton and absolute unit of displacement is meter. So we can write the absolute SI unit of the work is joule. SI absolute unit of work is joule. It is denoted by J. If the force of 1 Newton produces a displacement of 1 meter in the direction of force, then the work done is called 1 joule. तो उसे हम 1 joule वर्क कहते हैं. So 1 joule equals to 1 Newton into 1 meter. So 1 Newton meter means 1 joule. आप इसकी डायमेंशन यानी डायमेंशन ऑफ 1 joule क्या है आप जान रहे होंगे अब तो. डायमेंशन ऑफ 1 जूल. इफ वी अप्लाइड अ फोर्स ऑफ 1 न्यूटन इन एनी ऑब्जेक्ट, देन द ऑब्जेक्ट इज डिस्प्लेस्ड 1 मीटर इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ अप्लाइड फोर्स, देन द वर्क डन ऑन द ऑब्जेक्ट इज 1 जूल. द CGS यूनिट ऑफ वर्क इज अर्ग. इफ द फोर्स of 1 dyne produce a displacement of 1 centimeter in the direction of the force, the work done is called 1 erg. Means 1 erg की डायमेंशन मीन्स 1 erg की डेफिनेशन अगर अपन को पता करना है तो क्या होगा. if we applied a force of 1 dyne in the object and that's why the object displaced 1 centimeter in the direction of applied force, then the work done on the object is 1 erg. Now a relation between the joule and erg. Now the relation between the joule and erg. 1 joule equals to 1 Newton into 1 meter. 1 Newton equals to 10 to the power 5 dyne and 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. 100 means 10 to the power 2 centimeter. Then 10 to the power 5 into 10 to the power 2. So in the product the power will be added. So it becomes 10 to the power 7 erg. So 1 joule equals to 10 to the power 7 erg.